today we are getting these tires put on that car. And in the words of the Stradman, welcome to Girth Nation. Look at these. These are 315 tires for the rear. We got 275s to go up front. First and foremost, the GT-R is actually 100% done with the final wrap. I'll be doing a cool cinematic video a little bit later this week or next week. The mirrors, I am super impressed with. I really love how they came out. The next order of business, we need to figure out how to get all those tires into the car. Mike is out of town with the Tacoma, so I don't have a truck to use. Hopefully they all fit. I'm pretty sure one can go in the trunk and then one tire for every seat, so hopefully it all fits. That's not too bad, so now I have basically one seat for every tire. One thing I'm gonna do for the rear, just to keep these seats a little bit cleaner, there's a little tab I can pull and remove this bottom cushion here. And then in this back seat, I believe it's a 14mm, and I can get these backrests out as well. Open right now. Oddly enough, I can hear so much more noise here without those cushions in. Fuel pump, all sorts of weird like noises and stuff. This is gonna be an uncomfortable ride. Wow. Well, there we have it. You got a 315 sitting up front, barely fits between the dash and where the seat is. The seat is squishing one of the tires in the back. But yeah, that's what we got. Luckily, everything fits. That is a good thing. All the seats are buckled up for safety, of course. The seat is pretty forward and not as reclined as I'd like, but you can just get a good look. It's pretty much jam-packed. I'm glad I took those seats out because they definitely would not have fit. But now, oh boy. Sitting a little closer than I'm used to. Steering wheel's like right here. Luckily there is a lot of legroom in the GT-R, and I have the AC blowing because it is like 90 out already and it's only 10:30. But yeah, this is my view. So my vision is severely impaired. I cannot really see out of my mirror, and I am way too close to the steering wheel. This is really weird. I'm glad I have a backup camera, but all right, let's hit it now. And real quick, check out the wrap I did on the Cobb access port. Just tying in some of the exterior with the interior. I feel like I'm driving like a grandma. Look at this, like my elbow can touch the steering wheel. That is not the best. But anyway, we are heading to my friend's shop, STR Automotive. I've known those guys for like 3 years. Super good group of guys. They built that shop from the ground up a few years ago. And I cannot see through my tire. But that is actually the shop. When I bought the GT-R, I bought this car sight unseen from a Nissan dealer up in Pennsylvania. And the day after I got it delivered, I brought it to STR so they could do a full inspection just to confirm everything that the Nissan dealer said was true. So they did the first full inspection on my car, oil change, all that stuff, just to get this thing ready to go. So I definitely would recommend going there if you have any type of car. They have a lot of customers with Rolls Royces and Ferraris even. So from normal cars to some pretty crazy exotic cars, they deal with a lot.
A few moments later.
Almost done driving like a grandma now. Comment down below for those of you with smaller sports cars, have you had to bring all 4 tires to the shop in your car? Whatever it might be, I'd be interested to see what kind of stories you guys have. Luckily, they literally just barely fit. All right, last acceleration with these tires. See, I can't really see over there. I'm excited to see the differences with the new tires. A lot of people have commented wanting a review when I put these new tires on, so I will definitely do that. I'm interested to see if they're much better. All right, so here we go. This is STR Automotive. I'll have the link to their website. Definitely check them out if you are interested in any type of service or maintenance. These guys will hook it up. So they've got the necessary under trays off the car so they can work on the alignment. We're gonna go ahead and get the wheels off. Really cool though, I didn't even know this. This alignment rack has built-in lifts. So they've lifted the car from the frame, the subframes, I guess, front and rear subframe, to then get the wheels off so they can do the whole job all in one lift. It just makes it a little bit easier. About done with the front tires. We'll get a good look. I'm gonna be selling the stock set just because it'll be a really cheap set for someone. As you can see, the insides are a little chewed up. We got some cords and some notches. Everything else is not too bad. So we're actually about 4/32 all the way around. That's actually not bad. They are in decent shape. Just the inside on the front is what's a little messed up. And then just for the heck of it, we'll take a look at the front tires. They are 10/32, obviously being brand new. And then to take a look at the stocks for the rear. Actually, these are like 5. So tires are in decent shape. I'll have these for sale. Send me a message on Instagram if anybody's interested in them. It will be a really good cheap set of tires. Looking at the 275s now up front, everything looks really good. They have a good fitment to them, not bulging or anything like that. They're almost done with the one rear tire. They're not even in that bad shape. Just sounds like a gunshot when these things pop. But seriously, stupid Nissan dealership. Horrible alignment, destroying these, making me need to get new tires. But in all honesty, not bad shape, which kind of sucks, but you know, we'll have better tires now, much wider. Rears are wearing very evenly. These are in great shape. All right, so there we go. Got the 315 mounted up. Looks like it fits pretty good on the rim, no crazy bulges or anything. Wow, look at the width difference. So these are 285s and these are 315s. So like that, look at that. So that's like from here to there. We got about, this is like the new width basically. They're like 1.5 inches wider. They're a little bit taller. Of course, these are worn compared to these ones, but yeah, that is definitely some meat. One of the rear tires on and they just put on one of the front tires. Everything is mounted and balanced on this side. They're working on the, I believe, last tire for the balancing. But as far as the sizing goes, being wider than stock, everything looks to fit the tire or the rim really nicely. Definitely like the way they're looking. So he's now working on the alignment. As you guys can see with the screen, the Nissan dealer did a pretty poor job. So many things are in the red. That's why no more going to Nissan STR. These guys are hooking it up. And real quick, Nicole is back in the video. It's been like, what, 7 months since she's been on the channel? Well, she is here coming to the rescue, bringing my tires home for me. Thank you. That is awesome. So I don't, actually, one tire has to go in the trunk. Okay, one tire's going in the GT-R, in the trunk. She's got the rest, so shout out to Nicole. All right, so that is it for the GT-R. Alignment done, mountain balance done. In all honesty, the alignment was pretty messed up, as you would expect with the wear on the front tires. But just taking a little bit of a look at it. So the bottom is the new measurements. Everything is in the green, really good, right on spec. Look at all the red from the Nissan dealer. That is just pretty crazy. So massive shout out to STR Automotive hooking it up with a really good tire mount and balance, and the alignment is all nice in spec. The rims are all in really good shape, so they did a great job there. And there we go, got the new tires in place. I think they fill out the gaps much better. They look really good. So heading home now in the car. One thing kind of weird though, not having rear seats back there, those actually do a lot of sound insulation. I can hear stones and stuff hitting in the wheel arches. But driving now, I was just on a straight road, now I'm on a curved road. But straight road, the car is tracking perfectly straight. My car seemed a little bit off before. The original reason why I had taken this into the Nissan dealer to get an alignment was because my steering wheel was crooked while I was going straight. But just on that one road, perfectly straight now. I'm only going like 40 miles an hour, nothing crazy. But the car seems to ride pretty normal. All right, so back home now, we have the new tires all on the GT-R. Everything is looking pretty good. I like the overall fitment. I think they fit very flush within the fenders of the car. As you guys saw, the stock ones were a little bit more on the inside. Now I need to put the seats back in, which is very easy. And once again, these tires are going to be for sale. Send me a message on Instagram if you are interested, because in all honesty, the rears are actually in really good shape. If this wasn't an all-wheel drive car, I definitely would not have had to replace the whole set. But these are like 5 30-seconds. The fronts are at like more like 4 30-seconds. Just the inside is what's kind of shoot up. But send me a message if you're interested in those tires. So that's it for the video. If you enjoyed it, give it a huge thumbs up, smash the subscribe button. We'll see you guys next video.